Alright everybody, we are on our way to another event. We're going down to Autobrite today for their cars and coffee. We're just going to see who turns up. Bit of an unplanned run out again. Might grab some bits so that we can do some product testing videos for you in a couple of weeks. So we'll roll the footage now and we'll let you know how it is when we're done. Okay, so we've just pulled out of Autobrite, as you can probably see us driving by out the window. We've had a good time. We have picked up a new pressure washer, which is a weird thing to be able to do at a meet normally. All in all, a good time was had. Not a lot of people out, but the weather's not been that great today, as you can probably tell from the footage. So well worth going down there if you're in the Stoke area on a Sunday. We will catch you on the next episode of Shooting the Shift.